in that cloud. That's where we've seen the sunshine coming through across North Wales, parts of northern England and the North Midlands, where we saw those high temperatures. Some rain has been flirting with the south coast, but that's beginning to move away now. But the cloud behind it taking some time to clear through, I think, and always hang on to those cloudier skies across Northern Ireland, across much of Scotland as well, and some of that just drifting down in towards northern England too. So bringing some cloudy skies in here and some patchy outbreaks of rain. That'll tend to stick around, I think, across these more northern parts through tonight. The rain perhaps turning a bit heavier for a while across central southern Scotland in towards northern England. But further south, while the sky's clear, we'll find some mist and fog developing. And there could be some fairly dense patches of fog around, I think, in many areas come the end of the night across England and Wales. So watch out for that. It'll be around during the rush hour tomorrow morning. But not a cold night anywhere across England, Wales, Northern Ireland. Temperatures between 6 and 9 degrees typically, but a little bit different across central and northern Scotland. You'll notice just a touch of frost here. Now that colder air is actually sitting to the north of this weather front. That's not really going to go anywhere in the next day or two, so those northernmost parts of Scotland always staying a little on the cold side. But mild Atlantic air feeding up from the southwest across Northern Ireland, across many parts of the UK, in fact, as we go into the early part of the weekend. And then this weather system just slowly working its way eastwards through Saturday and Sunday. So eventually I think we'll all see some rain, but it'll tend to peter out as it moves through towards the southeast. The southeast probably seeing the best of any brightness through tomorrow, and there's high temperatures again, up to about 15 degrees, perhaps in the London area. Further west you go, though, the more the chance of hanging on to some thicker cloud and some patchy outbreaks of rain, perhaps even some heavier rain across northwestern parts for a time. But for the rugby fans, some pretty good rugby weather, I think, on Saturday. The Six Nations Championships, of course. Maybe a little bit of patchy rain coming into the Ireland-Italy match through the course of the afternoon. And again, it's these western parts that are likely to see the most of any rain that's actually going. Still pretty mild further east, the best of the brightness through these eastern parts. Good spring-like weather once again, but then through the second half of the weekend, that thicker cloud just beginning to drift in from the